Welcome. This video will guide you through the best settings for your Sony WF earbuds, specifically focusing on sound quality and active noise cancellation (ANC). We'll cover everything from using the Sony Headphones Connect app to understanding EQ and sound modes to get the most out of your earbuds, including the latest models like the WF 1000 XM6 released mid-2025 and firmware updates. Let's jump in. The Sony Headphones Connect app serves as your central control hub for managing all settings and features of your WF earbuds. Begin by downloading the Sony Headphones Connect app from your device's app store. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to pair and connect your earbuds via Bluetooth. Within the app, navigate to the main interface and explore the Sound tab for equalizer settings and the Ambient Sound Control tab for noise management options. The app enables deep customization, allowing you to adjust the equalizer for audio preferences, fine-tune active noise cancellation levels, and select different sound modes for various listening scenarios. To ensure optimal performance, regularly check for and install app updates, which provide new features, improvements, and important bug fixes for your earbuds. To customize your sound, open the Sony Headphones Connect app and navigate to the Sound tab. Here you'll find the Equalizer section. The equalizer offers a 20-band slider, allowing precise adjustments across the frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. You can choose from presets like bright for vocals, excited for energetic music, or relaxed for ambient listening. Alternatively, create your own custom settings. Small adjustments, such as increasing by 3 dB at 100 Hz, can significantly enhance bass depth. Start with the balanced preset and fine-tune based on your listening preferences and the type of audio you're enjoying. Within the Sound tab, you'll find options like Ambient Sound and Focus on Voice. Ambient sound amplifies external noises for awareness, useful when walking or commuting. Focus on Voice prioritizes human speech, ideal for podcasts or calls. Understand how dynamic range control prevents audio clipping, ensuring clean playback. To master active noise cancellation, start by opening the Sony Headphones Connect app and navigating to the Ambient Sound Control tab. This is where you'll find all the ANC-related settings. Here you'll see the ANC level slider. You can adjust it from off for no noise cancellation all the way to max for the strongest noise blocking. Choose based on your environment, lower levels for quiet spaces, maximum for noisy areas. Active noise cancellation works using two types of microphones. Feed-forward microphones detect external noise before it enters your ear, while feedback microphones listen inside the ear canal to fine-tune the cancellation. For optimal performance, use the NC Optimizer feature. This scans your ear canal to customize the noise cancellation specifically for your ear shape, potentially improving effectiveness by 10 to 15%. Finally, don't forget wind noise reduction mode. This specialized setting is excellent for outdoor activities, effectively reducing wind noise that can interfere with your listening experience. Mastering these ANC settings will give you the best noise-canceling experience with your Sony WF earbuds, whether you're in a quiet room, a noisy office, or outdoors in the wind. Adaptive Sound Control, or ASC, is an intelligent feature in the Sony Headphones Connect app that automatically adjusts your earbuds' sound and noise cancellation based on your location and activities. To enable ASC, open the Sony Headphones Connect app and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Adaptive Sound Control option and toggle it on. Once enabled, ASC learns your preferences by analyzing your locations and activities. For example, at home, it might prioritize balanced sound. During commutes, it increases noise cancellation. And at the gym, it activates focus modes. AI personalization is a growing trend in audio technology. To take full advantage of ASC and other advanced features, ensure both your Sony Headphones Connect app and earbuds firmware are up to date through automatic updates. Active noise cancellation consumes extra battery power because it requires continuous processing to cancel out environmental sounds. To extend playback time, disable ANC when you're in quiet environments where noise cancellation isn't needed. High-resolution audio codecs such as LDAC provide better sound quality but consume more battery power due to increased data processing. Experiment with different settings to find the best balance between sound quality, ANC effectiveness, and battery life for your listening needs. Recent models such as the XM6 have improved battery efficiency, offering upwards of 24 hours of playback with ANC enabled. If you encounter audio glitches, ensure your firmware is updated. In late 2025, a minor recall of XM6 units occurred due to firmware bugs in cold weather. Keep an eye on Sony's support page and community forums for troubleshooting tips. With the right settings, your Sony WF earbuds can deliver exceptional sound and noise cancellation tailored to your needs.